Hello, today we will guide you through how to book a hotel on Booking.com without a credit card. To begin, open Booking.com in your browser. Once the homepage loads, you'll see the main search area where you can enter your travel details. This is where the booking process starts, and it's designed to help you quickly find places that match your trip. Next, select your sample destination in the destination field. You can type the city or area you want to stay in, then choose the matching option from the drop-down list. Make sure you select the correct destination so the results are relevant to your travel plans. After that, click on Search. Booking.com will then load a page of available properties for the destination you selected. Depending on the location and dates, you may see hotels, apartments, or other types of stays. Take a moment to look through the results page before choosing a property. Now click on a sample result from the list. This will open the properties page where you can review more detailed information. On this page, you'll usually find photos, amenities, policies, room options, and pricing. It's always a good idea to read carefully, especially when you're trying to book without using a credit card, because availability and payment terms can vary by property. Once you're on the hotel page, scroll down and select Sample Rooms. This section shows the room types available for your dates. You may see different options with different cancellation terms, meal inclusions, or payment conditions. Pay close attention to the details shown beside each room so you choose the option that best fits your needs. Then, click on Reserve with Genius Discount if that option appears for the room you want. This will move you forward with that selected rate. If you have access to a discounted rate, this can help reduce the total cost, but the room conditions still matter, so it's worth checking them before continuing. You'll then need to fill up the form. Enter the required booking details carefully, such as guest information and other requested travel details. Be sure to review everything as you go to avoid mistakes that could affect your reservation. Accuracy is especially important for names, dates, and contact information fields. Once the form is complete, click on Next, Final Details. This takes you to the final stage where you can review your booking information before confirmation. At this point, it's helpful to double-check the stay dates, room selection, and payment terms to make sure everything looks correct before moving ahead.